5 months ago, I left home to execute my final mobilization for the U.S. Navy. Today is the day that I get to return home. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned until the end to see a sneak preview of the next adventure in Italy. After being gone for 5 months, Arizona. We are traveling through northern Arizona, a part of the state that is not easily accessible from Phoenix due to the location of the Grand Canyon. This is going to be a beautiful spring day with a visit to the Vermilion Cliffs National Monument. Oh yeah, Arizona! My God, it's beautiful here. All right. Two cool things here. Number one, over in the National Forest, I think it's Kanab National Forest, I'm not sure, but anyhow, there's snow up there, and it looks like the road, looks like they're getting some snow relatively where the road's at, so we may get a little snow up there. Second thing is, my wife has been wanting a picture of a corral, and this is the most simplest one I have seen yet, so I'm going to grab a few pictures of it before we continue on. Just being out here on a spring day in Arizona reminds me of why I live here. The 48th state is still vast, untouched territory and a photographer's dream. The colors of the landscape are vivid, so vivid in fact that the clouds appear pink as they reflect the color of the ground. I'm going to take just a few minutes to enjoy the cool air, warm sun, and the grandeur of my adopted state. As we cross Kanab National Forest, we once again encounter snow. We are at 7,800 feet, and in April, that is enough for snow in Arizona. With the heat of the summer coming, I'm enjoying this drive with the snow. But it is time to exit the forest and head to a place that I've been wanting to check out for many years, the Vermilion Cliffs National Monument. Of course, I am not going to stay on the pavement. The Vermilion Cliffs National Monument consists of 280,000 acres managed by the Bureau of Land Management. Not only is this place home to the famous wave formation, but also home to the endangered California condor. With elevations between 3,100 and 7,100 feet, I plan on coming back for a few days of hiking and wheeling in this remote backcountry.
If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly.
Something that I always regret is that time is never on my side. With the weather setting in and 5 more hours of driving ahead of me, I decided to hold off on visiting the condor viewing site for my next trip and to once again turn my wheels back towards home.
It's easier than facing your own doubts, but it will get you no matter how far you go.
The beauty of this place keeps pausing my progress.
Forever, if I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my
One of the things I'm going to do is take a closer look at the Bureau of Land Management and what they have. I have been thoroughly impressed. I mean, campgrounds with potable water and electricity at your campsite. What you see behind me and actually all around me is Bureau of Land Management managed area. And the thing I love about public lands is you see a place you want to go, you know, if you see 2 tracks road, you get to go. Just massive amounts of land, and I've just been thoroughly impressed. I've never really thought the BLM lands were, you know, I just thought they were just, you know, managed there for agriculture reasons or for grazing or something like that. But last year, when I was on a trip with my dad, we swung by some BLM lands, and, you know, I saw there's camping there, although there's very rustic, but it's a beautiful landscape. And now, after being on this trip, coming home and seeing how much land Bureau of Land Management has and what they offer, wow, definitely something to look at for some Jeep adventures. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you, it is time for me to head home. This has been an incredible journey. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this trip. I cannot even begin to explain to you guys how excited I am to be able to have it's a good part of my freedom back now that I'm not on active duty, and that I can plan to be at places like this and take you all with me. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, please consider adopting a shelter animal or donating to your local animal shelter. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you in the next episode. In the next episode, we are off to Italy. I'll be working in my ancestral homeland, and of course, I'll be taking all of you with me. We are going to be enjoying pizza in the region it was born in, take the opportunity to do several photo shoots in Rome, and explore new places in Napoli. Remember to subscribe to this channel and select the notification bell so you know when I post new episodes. Baxter. Hey, Bubs. Hi. Come here.
Who is that, Baxter?
Hi.
Is that Daddy?
Hi.
Bella.
Did you miss me?
Bella.
Oh, she does so scared. Hi. Hi. Oh, there we go. Now you
Bella, is that
remember.
Daddy?
Now you remember. Okay, I won't pick you up. You're back there. Hi, princess.